Hi everybody, I'm TruckerMatt. I'm making some bread. And while those loaves finish proving for their second proof, I'm here to tell you once again to do your job right. God bless the guys that remodeled our house before we bought it, but I don't own a pocket screw jig. I thought about getting one, and then I thought about how I'd rather just learn how to do dovetails and mortise and tenons, or if I ever do get a pocket screw jig, and anybody that is a fan of that thing, use glue. All the strength comes through your glue. I don't use a biscuit joiner and just hey, it's got biscuits, it's gonna stay. Which now I'm wondering, maybe that would be my fix here, is the biscuit joiner. I could at least put a couple biscuits on the top. Nope, dowels. This is a job for the self-centering dowel jig. That's gonna give me some strength that way. In case some baking utensils get caught. I mean, it wasn't even that stuck. I was really being gentle trying to get the box unslid. If it had had glue, the box probably would have just slid right out, but no. The only thing, look at that. How strong is that? What do we got at? An 1/8 inch of wood times 4 holding this thing together. That's it. And look, did you even get the pocket screws right? That side wasn't inverted, that side. They were all confused. They didn't know how to use the jig. Or they did, they just didn't care. No symmetry, nothing. Okay, anyways, I'm TruckerMatt. Do your job right. If you do use pocket screws, use glue. Thanks for your time. Deuces. Oh, and don't forget, whether you guys are gonna have a hot one or a cold one, go out there and do something for the Lord today.